the EU lowest corporate tax, and as of 2026, it's now a Eurozone country, Bulgaria. And most founders still aren't looking at it. Here is what you are missing. You want EU access. You want low tax. You don't want to overpay for a structure just because the jurisdiction sounds more prestigious. Bulgaria, 10% corporate tax, 5% dividend tax. Combined burden around 14.5%, the lowest in the European Union. And since January 2026, Bulgaria is officially part of the Eurozone. No currency conversion, no FX risk, no lev. You invoice, pay and bank in euros, just like Germany, France or Cyprus, but at a fraction of the cost. The company itself is straightforward, EOOD or OOD, the Bulgarian LLC. Minimum capital is €1. Registration takes 3 to 7 working days. Fully remote via power of attorney. Let's talk numbers. Bulgaria has plenty to offer. For IT companies, consultancies, e-commerce, fintech and holding structures, the math works decisively in Bulgaria's favor, especially compared to Western Europe, where the same profit gets taxed at 25, 30 or 33%. 10% tax, €1 capital, and now you invoice in euros. The question isn't why Bulgaria, it is why not yet. Bulgaria is fast to register. Banking, that is where founders slow down. Bulgarian bank in 2026 applies stricter KYC for non-resident founders. Source of funds, business model, ownership structure, all reviewed. Some institutions require a video call or in-person visit. Remote account opening is improving, but it is not universal. EU-regulated EMIs like Wise or Revolut work as a bridge while the local account is being set up. But for full banking, payroll, credit facilities, high-volume transactions, you need a local account and you need to prepare for it properly. We know which Bulgarian banks accept non-resident founders, what they want to see in the file, and how to get through onboarding without any delays. Bulgaria is lean to run, but not zero maintenance. Annual financial statements. Corporate income tax return filed between March and June, but registration required above €51,000 for annual turnover. Beneficial ownership declaration now actively enforced by the registry agency. Get the accounting right from day one. A Bulgarian company that's cheap to register and expensive to fix later, it's not a deal, it's a delay. Legarithm handles accounting, filing and compliance. So you are not chasing deadlines alone. Legarithm Bulgaria company formation covers everything in the right sequence. We have helped founders in IT, e-commerce, fintech, consulting and international holding structures set up correctly in Bulgaria. Before the first compliance gap, not after. Bulgaria in 2026 is not a gray zone option. It's a Eurozone EU member with the lowest corporate tax on the continent. That combination doesn't say underpriced forever. 10% tax, Eurozone, EU market, €1 capital, remote setup. If you are still paying 25% somewhere else, we are ready to discuss Bulgaria with you. Ready for Bulgaria's setup? Link in the description. Or come to Legarithm. We have done this before. Legarithm. Structure before problems.